sa mga Cianatics Iloilo. Grabe. Sino ang... Grabe! Okay, hindi ka malilibati, ha? Sino ang gusto i-serenade ni Zian Lim Galo? Sino ang gusto mag-kiss kay Zian Lim Galo? Okay, how about dira sa kilid? If you want to have a chance to have an autograph signing later, got my picture taken together with Mr. Zian Lim, all you have to do is purchase CD, 199 pesos lang mga friends, mga kabisyo, and kung subukan mo bakal, buy one, take one, 398. And once again, welcome to Zian Lim's album tour right here at Gaisano City, Iloilo. Invite your friends, text your friends to come over because Zian Lim is in the house. Palakpak! Alright. So bago kita karoon magkanto kay Zian Lim, may mga questions sana ako mo. Papanghanda ko phrase.